I'm Maria from Kenwood and we're unboxing the Chef Baker KVC65. This machine comes with 3 bowl tools, a stainless steel balloon whisk for whisking up your meringues and double cream, aluminium coated dough tool for making your breads and your pizza dough, an aluminium coated cake beater for your cakes, biscuits and pastry, and a spatula. To attach the tool is very simple. You push up and twist. This machine has a 5-litre bowl. This is how you detach and attach. The splash guard comes off for easy cleaning. And it has this feed tube for adding additional ingredients. To lower the light lift head, press the button on the side and close. This machine has an easy weigh feature, which means it has integrated scales. You can weigh directly into the bowl with the lift head closed or open. To turn the scales on, you press this button and it weighs in kilograms and pounds. This machine also has a timer feature. The timer feature will immediately start when the mixer commences. The speed dial is located at the front and it has a fold feature as well as minimum to maximum. There's a special feature to this machine. You can remove this and change it to a colour of your choice. That was an introduction to the Chef Baker, a great addition to your kitchen.